Friends, in this video I am going to show you an app by which you can do color grading in just one click. There are so many ways for doing color grading, but the method which I am going to discuss in this video is the easiest one. And I personally use this app for doing color correction in my montage videos. Well, color grading is not an easy task, but you can make it easy by this app. Name of the app is 3D LUT Mobile. And it is also available on the Play Store, so you can download it from there. Now here, click on Open Gallery and then select the video clip in which you want to do color grading. Then tap on the screen to pause the video and then click on LUT. Now from here you can select various presets for your videos. So here I am selecting the top 25. Now from here you can simply select any of the filter for your videos. For adding the filter, simply tap on it. And you can also change the opacity of the filter by this bar. Now if you want to load more filters, you can simply click on this more button. Once you had selected the right filter for your video, click here, then click on Save to Gallery. So this is how you can do color grading in just one click. And for more such videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my new videos.